Welcome to this video tour of the X4³ with myself, Stuart Abernethy from X-Yachts in Great Britain. During this video, I hope to be able to delve behind the scenes to help highlight areas of the yacht that you might not normally expect to see on the website, brochure, or during a boat show. However, to start with a brief overview, all X-Yachts built today have hulls vacuum infused with epoxy and post-cured for ultimate strength. The X4³ is part of our Pure X range, all of which have an internal galvanised steel grillage for safety. The version shown has 3 cabin, 2 heads and is finished in Nordic oak wood with a teak cabin sole. The owner's cabin has a generously sized double island berth and has the optional heads to port. It's a good size with electrical flush heads, heating outlet, a pull-out shower screen and electrical shower pump out. The aft cabin berths are symmetrical in size, however to starboard, entry is through an additional door to the heads and can be thought of as an ensuite cabin. However, now we'll explore a little deeper into the design by removing cushions, opening lockers and going behind the scenes. Below the ventilated owner's cabin berth, towards the bulkhead, is the retractable bow thruster. All wiring is neatly installed on the bulkhead with a Perspex protection. Optional lockers on the freeboard can be added for additional storage. And further aft, below the owner's berth, is good easy access storage for everyday items. And below that, access to the bilge and electronic compass. Under the cabin sole is the speed depth sensor mounted on the centre line of the hull for accuracy on both tacks. The valve is the drain for the sail locker cabin. The storage to starboard has hanging and drawer space and is mirrored to port if the forward heads is not chosen. In the heads, seacocks, pumps, filters are easily accessed and well labelled. The saloon storage is within the upper lockers and also behind the seat backs. Under the starboard saloon seating, the diesel tank is found, a custom-built 200-litre aluminium tank with inspection hatch and digital level gauge. Adjacent to the mast, the main circuit breakers and fuses are located, and also the electrical mast connectors are kept dry. Outboard is a custom-shaped 340-litre polyethylene freshwater tank, again with inspection hatch and digital level gauge. The battery charger and fridge compressor are here, with access to more seacocks which have built-in strainers where necessary and well labelled. The main bank of gel batteries are located low and centrally in the saloon. All wiring is labelled and references the detailed electrical schematic in the owner's manual. With the cabin sole removed, the galvanised steel grillage is clearly seen. This grillage gives unparalleled levels of safety and strength to the yacht. Limber holes run the full length of the bilge to ensure water is channeled to the main bilge sump. The galley has many deep lockers, a Corian work surface, well segmented drawers, double bin, and a front opening fridge. The aft heads has good storage with easy access to the seacocks for the heads and shower. In the starboard aft cabin, stowage is good with hanging and drawer space. Under the berth, the navigational equipment is mounted on a hinged locker for service, and further systems and storage below the berth. With the engine panel removed, sail drive and primary fuel filters are accessed. And through the other door, oil filter, dipstick and the electrical control box. Below the companionway steps, which is accessed with the help of gas struts, there is access to coolant, belts and the impeller. In the port aft cabin, below the ventilated berth, the dedicated engine start battery and more shallow storage is found. Behind the GRP cover is the 24-litre calorifier and the engine access completing the 360-degree service access. Again, the locker space in this cabin is deep with hanging and drawer space. And on deck, stowage in the bow is within the watertight deep sail locker, large enough for 2 downwind sails and still have space for fenders. The windlass and chain locker can hold at least 50 metres of chain for your cruising requirements. The cockpit storage is symmetrical with 2 lockers in the seating for safety equipment and ropes. And further aft, 2 lazarette lockers which are deep and also used to access the autopilot RAM and steering system cables. I hope that by removing as much as possible, you're able to see the true build quality and craftsmanship of the X4.3 by looking behind the scenes. If you'd like to learn more and experience the X4.3 on the water, please do get in touch with me. Thank you for watching.